In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of the Copilot app. Whether you're switching accounts or just taking a break, signing out is a quick process, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure it's seamless and straightforward. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open the Copilot app on your device. Make sure you're on your home screen or wherever you normally access your apps, and then go ahead and tap to open it. It's good to ensure that your internet connection is steady as you do this, especially if you're making changes or need to access your account later. Once the app is open and running, you should be greeted by the home screen or whichever area of the app you were last using. Here, you'll want to locate the profile icon, which is typically found in either the top left or top right corner of your screen. This little icon usually has your picture or initials if you've uploaded them, so it should be familiar. Tap on the profile icon, and just like that, you've completed the next step. After you tap the profile icon, a menu will promptly appear on your screen. This menu is where you manage settings related to your account, so feel free to familiarize yourself with the options if you're interested. But right now, let's focus on finding the sign out option, which you might also see listed as Logout in some versions of the app. Once you locate it, go ahead and give it a tap. When you tap on Sign Out, the app will likely ask for a confirmation. This is a security measure to ensure you don't accidentally log yourself out. You'll want to confirm your choice to proceed. Simply tap on the confirmation button or message that appears. And in doing so, the app will sign you out and take you right back to the login screen. This is your indication that the process is complete. Now you're all set. You're logged out, and you can either close the app, log in with a different account, or simply leave it on the login screen for future use. It's always a good idea to keep your login credentials secure, so ensure you have those handy if you plan to log back in later. And there you have it. Logging out of the Copilot app is that simple. Remember these steps the next time you need to switch things up, and you'll be navigating through the process with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you manage your account effortlessly. Feel free to check out more of our videos for other helpful tips and guides.